Hi you guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Revive Divine. I am Brittany if it's your first time here, and welcome to another vlog. We're about to get another one started today. So hi you guys, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. You guys know, I think my last video I said that I was working 3 days straight, and I did. It's completed. I was trying to film like a 3-day 12-hour routine, but that last day took me out. And I went to the gym every day, but yesterday, so my last 12-hour shift, I did not go. I was exhausted. I was so tired. It's like, I gotta go to work. I must go to the gym. I have to spend time with my baby. And then I'll go to sleep. And by that time I wake up, I've only gotten a good 4 hours, which technically is a good 3 hours. So yeah, I was done. But happy Sunday. I am gonna go spend some time with my family today. We're going to do like an early dinner. So we're gonna do that. I dropped baby girl off at her grandma's house. So she's with my mom right now. And then I'm gonna go get my mom and we're gonna go straight to the restaurant. I went to go wash my car this morning. It was dirty, it was filthy. And then I bought some tire shine, just put it on, left the parking lot, went home, went to the hair store, then went home. It's like I never put anything on there. And I spent $20 at AutoZone. I went to the hair store to go, I've been chopping my hair off every single day. It just hasn't been giving what I needed to give. And so I went to the hair store to go buy a closure, because I feel like this side is always better than this side, because this side is where I try to like manipulate my closure a little bit. Because like I said, this is an old unit. Yeah. But today it looks okay today. I don't know what I did, how I shook it out this morning, but it looks decent. But I am going to just add some more hair in the front, because I think that's what's bothering me, that all this is not one length. You know, I feel like this gives bang a little bit. I don't want it to give bang. I can't curl it right. I've cut it so short. I've cut it so short that I can't even use my curling wands anymore. So we're gonna see what we can do. So I did, y'all, I haven't been to the hair store and bought pack hair in a long time. But I did go with this 12-inch body wave. The brand is Vivace. This is what it looks like. It's supposed to be a body wave, 10A grade. We all know how that goes. It's Remy hair. And then I've had this closure before, like years ago, and it was pretty decent. So I saw this, and I think this is a 14-inch body wave. I don't think I'm gonna use this. Like I said, my hair looks okay today. And I didn't straighten it. I didn't try to do any curls. And I got hair in my face. And it looks decent. So we'll see. I kind of have not that much time to get ready, but I'm gonna see if I can just sew in a couple of pieces in the front, just to kind of add some length right here. Yo, this is stressing me out. I'm trying to make the bob work, Okay, and I've always wanted a puff, and I've never had a puff, you guys. I'm still using the Real Techniques beauty blenders, and I just use it to set. I don't use them to apply my foundation. But they had a setting baking puff, and I've always wanted one. I've never tried one. This is what she looks like. So I'm excited. I think I would like the bigger one versus the smaller ones. Y'all know they have the finger ones. But I think I would like this one. We'll see. We'll see. We'll do a little beat today. And then I got my mom some edge control because she really likes this one. We use the same one. And some Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. Really good products. I like these products. I use them on myself, and I really, really like them. So yeah, I'm just about to add some pieces to my hair. Eat some fruit. I haven't ate anything today. And baby girl laid in the bed from 7:30 to 10, and it was so relaxing. It's what I needed. It's nothing. If nothing feels better than cuddling up with your little baby, doing skin to skin, playing soft jazz in the back, and going to bed. Sun shining through. Peaceful. Just peaceful. So anyways, I am about to, you know, get a little cute. Just a little cute. Not a lot of cute. Just a little cute. I will check back in with you guys, and I'm gonna show you how my hair turned out. Pray for me, wish for the best. I have spent majority of my time doing my hair, but this is kind of what I meant. This is kind of what I'm going for. The only thing is, the hair that I bought does not hold a curl. So if you're looking for some hair that holds a decent curl, and baby, this ain't it. This ain't it, but it's decent. It did the job. I think, well, what I did was added 2 double wefts to each side. So 2 right here, double, 2 right here, double, same thing on each side. I did kind of close up my part a little bit. What else did I do? The 12-inch really worked. I did cut maybe just an inch, not even an inch, like a couple centimeters off the front. I just wish it would hold a curl, but I am satisfied right now. What I think I'm gonna do, am I focused? What I think I'm gonna do is add one more piece to the crown here because the color is a little off. The hair that I got is a natural black, and the bundles that I already had in was probably, you know, hair tends to come in that, I would say 2. I would say a good 2-4 mix. And I believe I did dye it black a while ago, but just like a rinse. Those don't typically last too long, but you know, I think this is it. I think we're done. I think we're done messing with the hair. I got to be stopped. My man said, you're gonna do something that you can't come back from. Stop cutting it. And what I do? But you guys, I think this is good. I think this is good. I don't know. I just wish it would curl because I really want just the slightest of curl right here, like a beach wave. Yeah. Hurry up. I need to hurry up. Oh Lord, I got water all over me. But I need to hurry up. We plan to go at 3. It's 2 o'clock. One thing about me though, I am really quick at my makeup. We can look like something in 10 minutes. Okay, anyways, let's do some glam. But when I went to Ulta to go get the skincare that I've been using, the Strivectin, and I'm still loving it, by the way, but they gave me a sample of a primer. It's similar to the serum, but this is a primer to wear under makeup. So I'm gonna try this out. You guys, I haven't worn foundation in such a long time. So all this is supposed to do is like fill in wrinkles and blur them. I don't have any wrinkles, so they don't put much in here, child. You know what this instantly gives me? The Smashbox primer. So this is what she looks like. And it reminds me of the Smashbox primer. I mean, I guess all primers. I don't really use primer. It's just a step that I feel is unnecessary. She smells like the eye cream. She smells like the eye cream. It's on. Are we blurred? Are we blurred? So I'm just gonna fill in my brows right now. Not fill them in, kind of just add shape. I haven't got them done in a very long time. And y'all know, because I've done it here on the channel, was get them microbladed. And I believe I've done it twice. And I haven't done it in, you know, over a year. And I mean, it's held up pretty good. So we're just gonna clean up our brows. The primer is priming. The primer is definitely priming. I feel like all the products that I'm using are just gliding on. Okay, so brows are done. Just a little fill in, just a little shape. That's it. You guys, I have not bought new foundation in such a long time. I'm just gonna use the MAC Studio Sculpt. I believe they don't even sell this anymore. I'm not sure, but I was looking on the website. Nowhere to be found. I haven't bought a new foundation in such a long time. Did y'all see that TikTok of that girl kind of going around looking for foundation and she can't find anything under $20–$30? I come from the era where the most expensive foundation was like $40. $60 if it was like designer. I mean, I haven't checked prices out in a minute, but I remember my favorite foundation back in the day when I was like coming into makeup, kind of finding my style, was Becca. I love me some Becca Cosmetics. RIP to them. Because Their foundations, if you were like a full coverage mommy, Becca was that girl. And you like glimmer with a little bit of shimmer and real lightweight powders, Becca. I think that was like my favorite brand. More than MAC. I mean, I was a MAC girl, but like lip products, lipsticks, lip glasses, and powders, But like foundation and eyeshadows, Smashbox. Smashbox for shadows for sure. And I mean, I was a pigment girl. I was a makeup artist. And I just really wanted to like show up for my clients in that way. In the beginning, I would buy like, you know, all the expensive things. But once I got like technique and stuff down, it was, you know, I could do a full beat in a with all drugstore products. No shame. Okay. So I'm just bronzing right now. I am using this Juvia's Place bronzing palette. And this is just the shade dark. And I use both of these, the lighter one and the darker one. I'm gonna throw on some blush. This is Exhibit A by NARS. Powder, you already know I'm gonna use this Sephora's, what is this? Macro Smooth Powder. I'm just gonna kind of use that all over. Also do a quick spray. This is just the Mario Badescu facial spray, which I need to re-up on. Empty. So we are going to set just my under eye because she's looking a little crazy. But I am gonna use this powder puff that I got at the hair store with a Becca, I want to say Pretty in Pink powder. Pink Haze. This is Pink Haze by Becca. Obviously you can't get it anymore. It's nowhere to be found. Like I told you guys, this is my first time using one of these. Is this what y'all do? Is this how you do it? I probably went a little too heavy. Okay. I really only use this on my under eye. But I am gonna use a little bit on my face. I'm about to just dust this off. Or buff it in. You guys, I think I fucked up. I think I fucked up. While my face dries, I am gonna do my lids. I'm just gonna do a gloss. Old Faithful Ginger Snap by NYX. I saw one today and something told me to get it because I like the two dark ones, and this is the butter gloss, if you know. But I think this is Ginger Snap, and then I like Perylene too. That is really good. I think I was obsessed with that one before I really like this one. And you guys, this is honestly, I think, a dupe to Pat McGrath's the shade. I'm not talking about the whole texture and everything, but the shade is a dupe to one of Pat McGrath's lip glosses. So good. I want to put on some lashes, but I'm in my mascara is enough. Okay, this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is it. Look, this is what we're giving. I did calm down that under eye with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and this is it. This is what we're giving. I love it. I think the primer, so far so good. It's a really good primer. I like it. So yeah, we are done and we need to go. You just know when you're dehydrated. You just know. I got home and I got a package. Y'all remember when I was telling you guys I ordered all those jackets on TikTok? Well, they're here. I actually have one on. This is an extra large. I didn't think it was gonna be this material. It is a polyester and spandex mix. Thumb holes, no pockets. That's all right. I never felt the urge or the desire to order anything off TikTok Shop, but the lady was on the live selling the jacket. She was all like, "You only got 5 more minutes." I was like, let me take a look. They were like $5.90. I don't think I used the coupon. I think they were just $5.90. But yeah, this is it. This is an extra large. It is giving cropped a little bit. They're not too long. Yeah, I like, no complaints. I mean, for the price, how could you complain? Color, like a sky blue. Yeah, and then I got this color right here. You could get a little closer look on the fabric. I thought it was gonna be more of a cotton, but you know, not mad at it. Not mad at it. I kind of prefer this material when I work out anyways. But so I got this color. We also got a gray. Cute. Taupe color right here. Really cute. Really, really cute. And then we have standard black, of course. I hope I didn't get white because I got a white shirt from Dick's Sporting Goods not so long ago and I hate the way it makes me look. Okay, and we got a brown. And then we got a pink. So yeah, those are all the colors that I got. No complaints, like I said, for the price. For the price, how could you not? Let me get my baby. She was so good in the restaurant today. She's probably been outside to like a restaurant like maybe twice, 3 times if I include a coffee shop. And she was so good. The only thing I need is a carrier. I don't have one because I know most of them come attached with, I just thought she would grow out of it really fast. Now I feel like I need one because holding her, putting her in that carrier, and I really don't use my stroller. I only use the stroller when I go outside to like exercise. Like if I'm going on a hot girl walk, that's the only time I use it. So yeah, I may need to invest in one of those. But she was so good. She did want to eat everything. She wanted to eat everything in sight. Other than that, she was a little angel. Yeah. Spring cleaning, a little deep clean. I kind of started that, like washing the shower curtains and giving this place a good mop. I did 2 loads of laundry, changed my sheets. What else? Just, you know, that kind of stuff. I got some really pretty flowers last week and I was like, these gorgeous flowers just reminded me that I need to do some spring cleaning, like some deep cleaning, get ready for the season, right? Bring in the new. She's sleepy. You know, bring in the new. So I'm just gonna continue that tonight because I did not finish. I was up super late and I had to tell myself it is okay. It is okay to not complete. It is okay to rest and come back and finish the task. So that is all that I'm gonna do right now. So yeah. just had a really good workout. I missed 2 days, so I had to show up and had to show out. So baby girl is with grandma right now, and my mom was so kind. I be feeling bad for leaving my baby over there for like longer than 2 hours. And I called her, you know, just to check on her and see what's going on. And she said she was asleep, so if I wanted to come home and do some things before getting her, that I had her blessing. So I am so grateful for that. Shout out to the grandmas out there who, you know, allow us to have a little me time. So make some food because it is 3:51. I haven't had anything but that green juice, which I don't need anything but that green juice. You guys know I went to Cheesecake last night, or yesterday afternoon, and I had a burger, Impossible Burger, and it came with fries. I didn't eat all the fries, but I definitely ate, you know, the burger. And I think that's all I ate. I think I came home, ate like a piece of chocolate. Yeah, that's all I ate yesterday. I'm hungry. Not really, honestly, but I'm gonna eat. Yeah. You guys, I haven't picked up the camera since last night. I put the baby to sleep and she said, if I'm going to sleep, you're going to sleep too. So we laid in the bed by 10. Did not get up till, well, I got up at 3, but she slept all night long. Honestly, I think I'm just going to make a sandwich with a side of berries. I was craving bagels. I was craving a bagel sandwich so bad the other day. So I just bought these, what is this? Dave's Killer Bread Everything Bagels. I saw that they had, you know, a healthier version. I'm not really a bagel girl, but this is the only bagel I like. I really just don't see the hype in bagels. I don't like bagels. I'm not a cream cheese bagel kind of, it's too thick of a bread. I don't know why I was just craving a bagel so bad. But anyways, I did not know how this hair, you guys know I added hair to this bob like in the front, and I did not know how it was gonna hold up, because you know it is pack hair, and I don't think you're supposed to get pack hair wet. So I mean, I'm gonna blow dry it and see if it reverts back to kind of how it was, or if it's gonna get like nappy. On breakfast sandwich sausage. If you're gonna get this spicy is the way to go. And y'all know, just egg. I love some just egg. These are the folded ones. So I like to use these for sandwiches instead of using the scrambled ones, which I should use those because it goes bad pretty quick, and I have 2 cartons. But I'm just gonna use this. Easier, and a free plant butter. I typically don't buy butter, but like I said, it was free, and when I do buy butter, it's this one right here. And honestly, it doesn't have to be the plant butter, because I think Country Crock is already you know, plant-based. But you know, if you're into labels and stuff like that, then get the plant one, but I think it's already plant butter if you get the regular one. I remember praying for a time where I couldn't wait to be at a place where wellness came natural to me. Like I knew not to eat that, I knew not to eat that, I knew not to drink that. And I can honestly say I'm in that place. And it's been about 5 years. Once I turned 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I remember playing 1, 2, 3. I remember praying for I remember praying to be in a place where wellness just came natural to me. Like I knew not to drink that, I knew not to eat that, I knew you gotta move today, you gotta move your body today. I know to drink water, like just comes natural. And I can honestly say I'm in that place. And it's been about 5 years where I've strictly been like, you know, plant-based. I don't drink soda, eat candy, chips, snack, ice cream, go to the corner store to get a Twix ice cream, like, you know. And you definitely have to be grateful for like the place you're in, because you have to remember there was a time where you weren't in that place, where you were struggling, where you wish you could be the person you are now. And last night I kind of, like I said, I woke up at 3 a.m. and I was like, you know, I'm gonna vlog. You know, baby girl's sleep. I know she sleeps 8 to 9 hours right now, so I got time. And I didn't charge my camera. I didn't charge my camera, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna eat some berries, eat some blueberries, and journal. So I woke up at 3 a.m. to like journal, and I was just filled with so much gratitude, because I was like, you know, I complain about this community I live in every day. Every day I walk outside the door, I complain, you know, about the neighbors, about everybody not picking up after their dogs, about these rotten kids. I just complain. But when I'm in my space that I created for myself, I'm just so grateful. Like my baby has a warm, safe place to sleep. We have an abundance of food, not just any food, healthy food, fruits and vegetables and grains and, you know, beans and all the things. My baby has formula. She has everything she needs. Like, I really have no reason to complain, and I really want to work on just reminding myself that I can't let outside forces or outside situations or things that have really nothing to do with me affect my mood.